Look too nice tonight, I might just hit the pookie pipe. Cause when the boy frustrated, he ain't thinking right. My mind is out of sight, it'll take all my might just to get my future all the way bright. But I say fuck it, let that glass ignite. Just one hit, then you taking flight. Got your head itching, but you ain't got no life. If you ain't got no money, I can take your advice. Life's a gamble, homie, gotta roll the dice. And the streets grimy, you can't be too nice. We got power, no direction, end up like shit night. Old in prison, hating from a distance. Fuck with anybody, say money do make a difference. Like for instance, bitches when I listen. Now I got bread, she give me head when she visit. She like a video vixen with no confliction. Too much corruption like Richard Nixon. All facts, no friction. He stops my addiction with no conviction. With every submission, I'm getting closer to touching millions. Fuck switching colors, I ain't no chameleon. Man, fuck them billions, I'm trying to get them trillions. Cause I need passive income for my children trillion. Yeah, that's my ambition, that's my only mission. Can I get